Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adobe Premiere Pro, my video editing experience. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software offered by Adobe as part of their Creative Cloud suite. It's targeted towards filmmakers, YouTubers, video editors, and anyone who needs powerful tools to create high-quality video content. Key features include advanced editing tools, color correction, audio mixing, and integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Their website provides details on different subscription plans, system requirements, and tutorials. Adobe positions Premiere Pro as an industry-standard editing software, emphasizing its comprehensive features and professional-grade capabilities. While it's not the cheapest option, they offer various subscription models to fit different budgets. They offer a free trial period so potential users can explore the software before committing to a subscription. You can check availability and different plans directly on Adobe's website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adobe Premiere Pro. My initial setup was pretty straightforward. The Creative Cloud app handles installation and updates seamlessly. Getting started was a bit daunting at first, just because of the sheer number of features available. However, there are tons of tutorial videos and resources available online, which made the learning curve less steep. I started with a simple project, editing footage from a recent trip. Importing and organizing my files was easy, and I quickly got the hang of basic cuts and transitions. I was really impressed by how responsive the software felt, even when working with 4K footage. Navigating the interface took some getting used to, but once I understood the layout, it became quite intuitive. I experimented with color correction tools, using the Lumetri color panel to adjust the look of my footage, and was blown away by the precision and control it offered. The standout feature for me was definitely the multicam editing functionality. I filmed an interview with multiple cameras, and synchronizing and switching between angles in Premiere Pro was a breeze. Performance-wise, it ran smoothly on my system, although I did notice some slight lag when applying particularly intensive effects. I had a quick question about exporting settings, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a built-in screen recording feature, which would have been a handy addition. Also, it took me a little while to get used to the advanced audio mixing features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adobe Premiere Pro. While it has a bit of a learning curve, its powerful features and professional-grade capabilities make it a fantastic choice for serious video editors. That's my overview of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.